Hey there pranksters, welcome back to another fun Nextraker prank video. Well actually, I won't be doing much in this video. It'll be Sinfado who's gonna show you how to pull off 10 simple yet funny pranks at home this upcoming April Fool's Day. So if you're in quarantine and you're bored, you definitely want to pull off some of these pranks on friends and family. But before we get pranking, let's get to the like goals for this video. If this video gets 3,000 likes, I'm gonna give away a prank kit. At 10,000 likes, I'm gonna give away a smart TV. And at 15,000 likes, I'm gonna give away a PlayStation 4. And to participate, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below telling me which of your parents you would prefer to prank and why. Also, next to your comment, please leave your Instagram username so I can contact you easier just in case you win. Remember that these giveaways are open to anyone, no matter where you live or what your age is. Just like and comment on this video and you're entered. One last thing guys, please subscribe to this channel and turn on all the notifications. Alright then pranksters, let's get started. Check it out.
Here I have a little cup, and here I have some confetti, as you guys can see right there. What I'm gonna do is just booby trap this door, so let's get right into it. Once you open your little baggie, you guys, you just wanna pour everything in here, in this little cup. As you guys know, confetti can splatter everywhere, and it makes a big mess. It's very hard to pick up. So we're gonna fill this little cup up with all this confetti. Yep, it's all gone. Now, the simple part. You guys just wanna balance this little cup on this doorknob, like that, guys. And once you guys do that, whoever comes in and opens the door, well, you guys will just have to wait and see what happens when they do that. So let's just jump right into it. Hey! Whoa! Look at all that mess, guys. Look at that. Now, your victim is gonna be like, what in the world? They will never expect this, and it will definitely catch them off guard. Very simple to do, guys. I hope you guys pull this one off. All right, so right here I have a glue stick, as you guys can see here, just a regular glue stick. Now I'm gonna pop the top on this, slide the glue stick out, and right here you have a doorknob, right? Regular doorknob, everybody uses it. In order to prank them, how about we use some glue stick, spread it all around that door handle. Now glue you can't even see, guys, so the faster you do this, if your victim's coming, the better. Now this trap has been set. When your victim comes in, he'll come in, reach for that doorknob, try to get out, and ah, what the heck? Look at that. He'll leave his hand all sticky with all that glue. All right, for this, you need some liquid ass, as you guys can see right here, the toilet paper in the restroom, and a cup. You take your toilet paper, you unroll it a couple times just like this, leave that just like that. Then you take your cup and your liquid ass and you spray a couple sprays in there just like this. Now you gotta flip that upside down real quick, put it right on the toilet paper, and wait for your victim to come in and use the restroom. Now, when your victim comes in and use the restroom, he or she is gonna need toilet paper. So they're gonna have to flip this cup, and that's when the smell's gonna come up, guys. So this is what's gonna happen. Oh no! Oh, God! This is gonna be 10 times worse than whatever they did in the restroom. Very simple to do, and very, very effective. Alright, for this one you need a phone. This is my roommate's phone. And for this, all you gotta do is remove their case that covers their phone. Now, once you've done that, get rid of their phone. Just put it in your pocket or something. This is all you guys need. Now, you wanna flip this upside down and put it on a table, just like this. Next, you wanna get a dumbbell, just like I have here. This is a 15-pound dumbbell. It weighs a lot. It would crush a phone easily. Now, I'm gonna put this dumbbell right over the case, right where the camera is, just like this. Now, as you guys can see, it already crushed what is the phone, right? In reality, there's nothing in there. So when the roommate comes in and he's like, yo, what the heck? What is this? What happened to my phone? And you can start laughing out loud, and he's gonna move it. He's gonna move the dumbbell just like this. And when he sees it's just a case, he's gonna start laughing and probably come after you. But it's very simple to do. All you need is a victim with the phone. For this one, all you need is a book and a red Sharpie. Now, before you pull this off, take your red Sharpie and draw on your finger what looks like a cut, guys. Just like this. Maybe some ooze. There we go. Now that looks pretty believable, right? All right, so you can get rid of the Sharpie now. Next, you grab a book just like this one right here and pretend you're reading it. Now, I don't really care about this book, but as soon as I see that somebody has their eye on me, maybe my little brother or sister, I do this trick. Ah! Drop the book, and they're gonna look at me like, what happened? Then I'll be like, oh, look, I cut my finger. And they're gonna be like, oh no. And they're gonna get really scared, but then you'll be like, ah, April Fools, I'm just kidding. It's just my Sharpie. And then you guys can both laugh about it and it'll be really easy to pull off and funny. All right, for this one, all you need is some tape and basically the door. When you turn the knob like this, it goes inside, right? Now you just take a piece of tape and put it around there. So turn the knob and put tape just like that. Now it won't come out. Now the door won't close. So when they try to close the door, it's never gonna close, guys. And when they're trying to lock you out, well, guess what? They won't be able to. If you don't want to use this hole right here, you can always use this one right here. Just put a piece of tape just like this and cover the hole. Just like that. Now it won't go in there, so they can't lock you out. Yup. Try to lock me out. Not gonna happen. This, all you need is some tape as well, and any switch in the house, just like this one right here. Now this controls the light, as you guys can see up there. And at night, everybody wants to turn those off, right, to save electricity. Well, you just take some tape, just like that, and put it on there. I will make mention of this. It has to be clear tape like this, guys, so that they won't notice it's on there. And the next time they come around, be like, oh, it's time to go to bed. I'm gonna turn the switch off. Yup. It's not gonna happen, guys. They're gonna look at it and be like, what the heck just happened here? And they realize there's some tape there and they can't turn off the switch. Look at that. This is my toilet paper, and this is where you guys would find it, right, when you're using the toilet. Well, if you guys haven't already noticed, this is Donald Trump toilet paper. And we're gonna remove it just like this. And what we're gonna do next is bring it up here to this shower rod. Now, yeah, you guys would never think it'd be up here, right? Well, perfect place for it, right here. Just move the shower rod over a little bit and put it in this hole, just like that. Now, once it's in there, just put it back where it goes. Once it's on there, or whatever toilet paper you have is ready to go. Now, when your victim's using the restroom and he looks over here for the toilet paper, he's like, wait, what the heck? Where's the toilet paper? He looks up here and Donald Trump's laughing at him saying, you want to wipe? You got to use me, but I'm way over here. And it'll be way over here in the shower rod. Not a place where you would typically find toilet paper, right? So really good April Fool's Day joke.
Oh no!
For this, you need a pencil. Now, any pencil will work. It doesn't matter which one you use. And you need a pencil grip, just like the one I have here. Also, you need some scissors. It don't matter what kind of scissors, as long as they're sharp and they're good. And you know what you're doing with them, most importantly. Now, you take this pencil grip off, just like that. And you want to cut the pencil right about here. Now, in order to cut it, you got to put the pencil in the scissors and start spinning it around as you press down firmly. It creates an indentation on it. Once you've done that, remove the pencil from the scissors and you snap it just like that. It'll break. Not a perfect cut, but it doesn't have to be, guys. Next, you take your pencil grip, put it in there just like this, and put the other side in there just like this, the broken piece. Now, whenever one of your siblings or your parents wants to use this pencil, they'll be in for a big surprise. Oh, what was that address again that you wanted me to write? Here, I'll use this pencil. Wait, what? Oh, this pencil ain't writing nothing. And they'll be very mad and it'll make you laugh. Ha 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 ha. Here I have a bug, as you guys can see right here. It's really realistic, right? Oh no! Gross. And also right here I have some floss. Right here is a big tape dispenser. Now this comes in handy for a lot of things. A lot of people use this in my house. So this is a perfect thing to booby trap. I'm gonna set that aside for now. What you want to do is take your floss and cut a piece about that long right there, guys. Not that long. And you want to wrap it on your little guy. Now, once you do that, this is what it's going to look like. Look at that. He's wrapped up and ready to go. Now, set him down for a second and focus on your tape. Pull the tape back a little bit, just like this, and grab the floss and attach it to the tape. Just like this. Once you've done that, put the bug under the tape, just like that. Now when your victim comes to the room and wants to use the tape, oh, I need to use some tape. Where's my tape at? He or she's gonna reach for the tape, and this is what's gonna happen, guys. Ah! It's gonna see a bug, and when it bounces, if you guys can see, the bug flies. Let's do that one more time. As you guys can see, whenever it drops, the bug keeps moving. So it looks very realistic and will make anybody scared. Perfect trick for April Fools.
There you guys have it, 10 simple funny pranks and booby traps you can set up at home on friends and family this upcoming April Fool's Day. Special thanks to Sinfatal for showing us the demos, and also guys, don't forget about the giveaways for this video. Once we get 3,000 likes, I'm gonna give away a prank kit. At 10,000 likes, I'll give away a smart TV, and at 15,000 likes I will give away a PlayStation 4 to one of my subscribers. And to participate, all you have to do is like this video and leave a comment below. That's pretty much it, guys. Best of luck, have a very fun April Fool's Day. I'll see you pranksters in my next video. Thanks for watching.